Davido is disturbing Lagos as he stepped out with his super expensive and luxurious cars. Davido brought out his Lamborghini Revuelto last night as he went for the birthday party of the First Lady of Ogun State. Okay, guys, it was a massive one. Davido arrived Lagos yesterday, was live at the birthday party of the wife of the executive governor of Ogun State. It was a massive one. Davido gave an astonishing performance as he made the whole event lively. I'll be sharing with you a full highlight of how the whole thing went down. Drop a comment below, tell what you would like and share. Not forget to subscribe to the channel.